If you own a Scuf controller and you are experiencing stick drift, in this video I'm going to show you how to remediate that problem using the ICUE application. So go ahead and download the ICUE application, and once you download it and install it, go ahead and connect your controller. I got mine connected via USB cable, and once this shows up, click on your controller and make sure that the device memory mode is turned off, otherwise the calibration menu won't appear. Second thing I would make sure is that you go to your settings and see if your controller is on the latest version, otherwise it may not work. So go ahead and close it, check for updates, make sure you're in the latest version, close it. Now you go to the calibration menu. From here you go ahead and click Run Wizard and then follow the prompts in the screen. Alright, here this is where you calibrate your thumbsticks. Go ahead and follow the instructions. And make sure you follow along just like the image is showing you. Alright, that's the left side, so go ahead and click next. Now we're doing the right side. Alright, so that's the calibration test. Go ahead and click next. And now we're gonna do the other test. This is for the left thumbsticks. Alright, now we're gonna do the next one. And then click next, finish. Okay, so that's how you calibrate your Scuf controller using the ICUE application. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and please subscribe to my channel.